want to tell you Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and his mother live in a small house. They are poor. One day, Jack goes to a market. He wants to sell their cow. The man sees the cow and said, "I can give you my magic beans and you give me your cow." Jack says, "Okay." Jack takes the beans home, but his mother is mad. "Oh, you silly boy, we can't buy food with beans," said his mother. So she throws the beans out of the window. The next morning, Jack and his mother have a big surprise. There is a big beanstalk next to their house. Jack climbs up the beanstalk. He sees a beautiful castle and goes inside. "Oh my, the tables and chairs are so big," says Jack, and he hears a voice. "Fee, fee, fo, fo." He hides behind the door. The giant comes into the castle. The giant puts a magic hand on the table. He shouts, "Lay an egg." The magic hand lays an golden egg. Soon the giant is asleep. Jack climbs up the table. He takes the magic hand, but the magic hand started to clap. The giant shouts, "Fee, fee, fo, fo. Give it back." Jack runs and runs. He climbs down the beanstalk and shouts, "Mom, help!" His mom chops down the beanstalk and the giant falls and dies. Thank you.